For this year, we're proud to introduce our new Quest pedestal, which is designed both as kind of the ultimate replacement pedestal for older worn out pedestals and for new boat builds. You'll see it on some 2024 model year boats coming out. The centerpiece of this is the head, which is designed both to accommodate larger electronics displays and also offer a pretty idealized viewing angle for them while you're at the helm. The screen top is approximately 18 by 12 inches, so it'll fit a huge plotter or an array of things, a smaller plotter, autopilot display. You can put a compass on there. You can really have a lot of options with it, kind of do whatever you want with it. It features a nice handhold bar in the front. It's got the through shaft brake, which is nice, and it's comes in either a tapered shaft or a straight shaft, so you can use your existing wheel with the new pedestal. It'll just fit right on. The base is our standard 6x6 hole center, so it'll fit right onto a cockpit from which a prior Edson pedestal has been removed. And it's got some additional footprint on it versus the classic round pedestals. If you're switching from another brand's pedestal and the hole centers are a little bit different than 6-on-6 and you need to realign the hole centers a little bit, you can probably avoid doing any gel coat work just because the footprint of this is going to cover that. And the display top is available in either black starboard like you see here or unfinished teak, which you can finish to match the rest of the woodwork on your boat. One thing we made sure to include was compatibility with our popular fold-down tables. This is the lunch table. It's also available in a fold-out drop leaf table in both white starboard and unfinished teak, again for you to finish to match your boat's bright work. Storing the table is super easy just by pulling out the legs. There are no legs underneath it to get in the way. Very simple operation. And then when you want to remove the table entirely, you can just pull it off easily and go do your Wednesday night races without the table in the cockpit. One of the specific features that we wanted to include in this pedestal was both a larger area for more modern electronics and a better viewing angle for them, especially with polarized sunglasses. With our older Vision pedestals, you would kind of have to crouch down in order to see a screen because of the higher display angle, but with a more shallow display angle, you're looking right down at the display. I'm 6 feet tall. It's a perfect angle for me. Shorter people also have an easy time seeing it, so it really accommodates helms people of all sizes, and it's convenient and nice to have everything right here at your fingertips and not having a whole bunch of displays on a pedestal guard blocking your whole view in front of you. So this makes both seeing your displays and seeing the world in front of you a lot easier. In designing this, we wanted to make it both as robust as possible and as easy to service as possible. So we've added a few things to do that. Number one of which is the Zerk fittings, which make it super easy to grease the internal needle bearings. We use a regular sprocket size for a number 50 chain, just like you're used to in most of our other pedestals. And we have the internal brake, which is activated by the through shaft brake knob that exits behind the wheel. There's plenty of space for your electronics wiring to come up inside the head, and we've included 3 holes to do zip ties so that you can do a little cord management and keep that clean and keep it out of the way of the chain and cable. The Quest pedestal is also available with the single lever engine control, which allows you to shift and control your engine speed directly from the helm if you don't have it mounted elsewhere in the cockpit.